Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can allow all trackers and ads on Brave. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on Brave Shield and Privacy. Then you can see the option of block trackers and ads. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of allow all trackers and ads. Tap on it, then tap on done. So this is how you can allow all trackers and ads on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.